Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, any area you may be watching me from at this time of the day. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It's me, your sister, your girl, your friend, your auntie, your cousin. It's me, the lady of Wisdom TV. I just want to talk about some little things when I dey hear right now wey dey everywhere. So I just say make I still come out, make I still chook my mouth small so that people go still listen. Say me I still talk put small. So wetin dey now wey dey go on now is just concerning all this our boys wey dem say dem dey do. Una understand? Wey dem say dem dey do for Italy. Fine, e dey say dem too dey do for Italy and dem still get area wey dem dey do am for Italy. But no be all of dem. And two, no be only Italy dey for dey do that thing wey be say anybody wan just talk, dem go just point to Italy, dem go point to Italy. So let make me say make I still come still chook my mouth small, still talk say no be only Italy dey for dey do that thing. Understand? Because every country dey get the good, the bad, the ugly. Fine say Italy get the good, the bad, the ugly. Na so e still be for other country like Austria, Belgium, Swiss, Germany, Denmark, Holland. Every part of the world dey get their good, dey get the bad part, dey get the good part. So na so e still be. So everybody go just dey point say any ugly thing they'll say Italy, any ugly thing they'll say Italy. They no dey talk about the good wey dey for Italy. So e no be like, e no good like that. So that make me say I still chook my mouth small for this matter wey dey ground. So fine say they really dey do that thing, e no good. Fine, we know say e no good. Our brothers wey dey do am for Italy, abeg make una change. No be good thing, no be good idea. Understand? Make una go look for work, make una go look for work, make una dey do small petty work dey. Like you fit do shoro, you fit do this abeg wey dem dey, wey our boys still dey do. So all na way to survive. Understand? Nobody wey just come here say he wan just come here come dey do abeg. Na condition make dem come dey do am. Understand me? But for the aspect of that do wey una dey do so, wey me I dey hear say e dey zero, e no good. Make una stop am. And e still dey Holland, e dey Belgium, e dey all part of the world. So make una no just dey point, just dey put finger for Italy. Italy na very good place. We wey dey Italy, we no like person like me, I'm not sure say I fit comot for Italy. Understand me? Because like here now, everything wey you want, e dey here. Just as say wetin dey make many of our people dey run dey go this day Germany, wey dem dey run dey go now because of this their benefit wey dem no dey gree give them for here. But small I believe say God go still touch their mind one day. Dem go still dey help the children. So like that, dem no go comot again. Italy na very quiet place, na very good place. People dey Italy right now wey don come for many years. Even those our boys wey still follow this river still come. Many still dey wey be say they no want problem, they no want anything wey dey hot, they no want make bad thing touch them. Understand me? So maybe you wey don fall for oil, make you no come use am take rub them. Or you wey don fall for potopoto, as we need dey talk and say you don fall for potopoto, no come use your hand come take rub am. Many people dey like that. They stay clear, they run away from trouble. Especially they don't want to involve themselves with all this ogbalegbe. That is why you see some of our boys, they do shoro, they do abeg, they do all these to bad things, still carry go Nigeria. They know they put their hand for all those hot things. So I beg my brothers, I beg our brothers, I dey beg una wey dey for Italy, wey you know say you dey true dey do that thing. E no good. Because why? Sickness dey. If e no come out now, if e dey your body now, e no go come out. In the next years, e go come dey come out for your body. For front, e go dey come out. Maybe that money wey you come use suffer, use your body, use that thing take fine, you no go come enjoy am when the sickness go begin dey come. On your see any money we do not we ebo egbo ma yo gwe wa isege no ya ari emi nu kun ane emi nu yo bo we ya une emi nu ye efo ne gbe we ya gwa lo ne e ba ni emi amo na duare e ba na duare in gia bo e gbe. So la wo teme ni gbe teme ni gbe ya mo bo gwana because iyan we teme ni gbe o du e kini. So wala wo no we wa wala wa kekere orevu ove iwa gu evo hia gwana. I'm not talking to Italy alone, I'm talking generally to every part of the world now where every man now where, especially the Nigerians, I beg you in the name of God, you people should stop and don't do it again. It's not a good idea. It's not good for you as a man. You continue to do that thing, e no good na. Make you to sit down reason am. God no give you wey be man make you do am. He no give woman sef wey even get the other side. He no give am make you do am, talk less of you wey be man. So abeg, una stop all those things. Na make me say make I still shook my mouth small for the matter. So na make me still talk small for the matter. Abeg, una stop am. Una no dey do that kind thing again. So I just say make I still give una this little advice. Abeg, I dey beg una. Una go dey do shoro. Una go dey do abeg. Everywhere they dey do am. Every corner they dey do shoro. They dey do abeg. Shoro na buying and selling. You buy, you still gain small. If you know say you no fit carry bag, you no fit carry drive a kerosene wey dey still dey drive, you go stand look for one place dey do shoro. Or if you know say you no fit still go dey clear, go dey look for farm wey be say dem go dey pick tomatoes. Farm work dey wey be say dem dey pay our boys wey wan ready to work. Farm work dey. At least e no big, but you still manage am as e reach. You still manage am. They say little drop of water make a mountain ocean. Small. If you dey gather that money, that place where you want make you be, that place where you wan reach, no matter how people go disturb you reach, no matter how enemy go disturb you reach, no matter how anybody go wan draw you go back reach, when your sense correct, you must make am. You must get to where you are going. As far you know dey lose hope for this Europe we dey. Na Europe we dey find money reach now. If you no lose hope, you go make am. Understand me? So I dey beg una, my brothers wey dey say dey do am, I dey beg make una look for nice work. That one no be work now. No be work, no be better thing. Make una look for nice work. Look for where you go fit work. If you see who dey work, you still tell am say, bros, abeg, if that place where you dey work, if e free, you go let me know. If e free, go let you know. Understand me? So me you still look for where you go still see your work, still go work. So now make me say make I come and still shook my mouth small for the matter. So I beg my brothers and sisters worldwide, stop doing it. It is not good. I just want to give this little advice to my brothers, to my uncle, to my anyhow. I call you my brothers, I call you my family, because we are coming from the same place. We are coming from that same Nigeria. Understand me? So I beg you, stop doing it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell, so that anytime I upload any video, you go be the first we go fair see am gbagara. You be the first we go fair hear am. And beg, not forget to leave your comment for the comment section. I love reading your comments. Please, I beg, please change your ways, change your life of the life of living. Change it, please. I beg you in the name of God. God bless you. God bless you as you help me to share this video. That your hand wey you take share this video, sickness no go hold am. That your hand wey take help me share this video, you go always grow from grass to grace. That your hand wey go help me take share this video, you go always excel. Iyan wo Obama magboma aiwu Obama ori ainoma. So that your hand will always bring good things, will always bring things for you to be prosper in life. Please help me to share this video. Hit the subscribe to the channel, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. And don't forget to hit that like. Please I beg you, hit that like. Touch the like. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you with God's name. I beg, subscribe to this YouTube channel, The Lady of Wisdom TV. Thank you and God bless you.